This tutorial forms part of our basic computer training course for beginners and will cover element 4 for those looking to qualify in the European Computer Driving Licence. The lesson is about document creation. Now for this lesson I'm going to demonstrate document creation in Wordpad, which is a word processing software normally provided free with Windows. So we need to go down to the Start button in the bottom left hand corner, left click, and in the search box at the bottom type in Wordpad. And Wordpad should be the first available program. Left click on there to open our Wordpad program. Now many will have Microsoft Office Word, which is an excellent and recommended program, and that is available to buy as an additional software. We've opened Wordpad because it's a free software that everybody should have available. They're very similar, they're both made by Microsoft. What we're going to do is we're going to create a simple document and we're going to print that and save it. And while creating that document, we're going to use this box here on the toolbar, which is the font box. So I currently have the font set at Arial, and if I click on the arrow next to Arial for the font family, I have a whole list of different types of font that I can use, but I'm going to stick with Arial. If we move our cursor across, we've got the font size, which is 11, and if you notice, a little box appears telling us what each icon means. So if we move across again, a quick icon for growing the font, another icon for shrink the font, and then we have bold. We can make our text bold, italic, underline, strike through, and then we have two icons for creating subscript. We can highlight the text in any colour, and we can change the text colour. So that's just that one little box about font. All I'm going to type is Maganga is a great site. Full stop, and press the enter button to start a new line. But on this line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the font size to font 20, and I'm going to change the colour to blue. Type again. Maganga is a great site. Full stop. And press the enter button to return. And now if we want to go back to our original, font size 11 and either automatic or black, and then type again. Maganga is a great site. Okay, so we've created a document. Now we want to print that. Now I've got an icon right at the top on the title bar, which is for quick print, or I can go across to what's known as the Wordpad button, and in Microsoft Office this will be slightly different. We'll go into that in a later date. Left click on the Wordpad button, I can go to print, and there we can then choose which printer we're going to use, how many copies we're going to make, and when we're happy we can click on print. And now I'm going to save it, and there is a save icon up there, save, or we can use the Wordpad button again, save, save, box appears for saving our file, and all we do is we change it at the bottom to Maganga is great. So we've given our Wordpad document a title. Find a place where we want to save it. We can just save it to our documents library, and in there we save it. And that is very quickly document creation. Thanks very much.